Today we'll be solving Leetcode 1957. So the problem name is lead characters to make fancy string. So it is a easy level question of Leetcode, and what the question is saying is that we have given a fancy string. So basically a fancy string is a string where no three consecutive characters are equal. Given a string S, delete the minimum possible number of characters from S to make it a fancy string. Return the final string after deletion. It can be shown and the answer will also be it is also be shown that the answer will always be unique. Okay, so basically let's see this example. So in this example, there is triple E coming, so we will just convert into two E's. Okay, so this will be like this. Okay, for second example, suppose this is my string triple A B, then four A's, and there are three A's. So basically, whenever my consecutive characters are equal and have the frequency of more than two, then I will trim it down to two. So this A has three consecutive A's, which is greater than 2, so I will convert it into 2 A's. B is only 1, so we will not touch it. Now for the A's, the frequency of consecutive A's is 4. Now what we will do is it is greater than 2, so we will convert the frequency to 2, so it will become the answer will become like this. So let's see how what is the approach. So I will take the same example. I will take A, 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 B, B. Okay, so basically this is the example. This is the given string. What I will do, I will set a previous to here. Okay, and I will check the frequency of that particular character frequency. In the answer, I will first add this A to it. So this is my answer. I will add A to it, and I will start traversal from this string. So first of all, my I is here. I will check whether this character and the previous characters are equal or not. If they are equal, I will increase the frequency. The frequency currently is 1. I will increase it to 2. After increasing frequency, I will check whether the frequency is smaller than 3 or not. So yes, it is smaller. I will append it to my answer then. I will append the previous character only to my answer. Now I will increment I over here. Now I will check whether the previous and the frequency is the same or not. If they are same, I will just increase the frequency to 3. Now check if the frequency is smaller than 3 or not. No, it is not small, so I will not perform any operation. I will just increment my I. Again there is I, frequency will become 4. It is not smaller than 2, so I will not perform any operation. I will just continue the traversal. So now I am here. I am at B. Is my current character is equal to previous character? No, it is not. So I will just change my frequency back to 1 and set my previous to here. Again, I will check whether the frequency is smaller than 2 or not. It is smaller than 3 or not. It is smaller than 3. Then I will append my previous to it. And I will increment my I. It is again B, which is equal to the previous. I will increment the frequency and I will append the same previous character to here. Now my I will be here. It is not equal to frequency. I will set the previous over here. I will set the previous over here, and I will set the frequency to 1 again, and I will append the C to here. as the frequency is smaller than 3. Now let's see the code. So this is my solution class. It is accepting a string. I have built a string builder SB, which I will be returning by converting into a string using .toString method. Initially, what I am doing is I am appending the first character of the string to my SB string builder. So and setting my previous to the first character, and I am also initializing the frequency to 1. Now I will iterate from the first index to the last index, and for each index what I am doing is I am comparing the current character with the previous character. If they are equal, I am increasing frequency of the previous. If it is not, I am setting the frequency by 1 and setting the previous equal to the current character. If and then I will check whether the frequency is smaller than 3 or not. If it is smaller, then I will append the previous to it. And after performing all the traversals, at last I will be returning the SB dot to string. Thank you.